each time we start a new project, it's important that we do a kick-off meeting. And at the kick-off meeting, we will tell the customer about the metaphor of the washing machine. How does this metaphor go? Here you see 5 riders. They prepare themselves to go on the Mont Ventoux. We want them to do this climb in a proper way, means proper clothing. All the clothing that you see here are representing features, story features of the project that we want to implement. Now, the metaphor goes as follows. You have the washing machine, and the washing machine has a fixed capacity, 5 kilos, 6 kilos, today even sometimes 9 kilos, but it's a fixed capacity. And that's the capacity of the team from what they can produce, what they can wash within a certain time. Imagine that here it's a washing machine 5 kilo, we have 5 hopes of 5 kilo, and it takes 30 minutes for doing one wash run. Of course, this project has the challenge to do it in 2 hours of time, so we don't have enough time to do all the washing. Now, what happens sometimes is that if we are briefed up front, then the project manager foresee extra capacity, a second washing machine, and then there is no problem. We can easily wash those 5 groups of clothing in the time required. But this is very rare. Most of the time we are not informed up front, and we are challenged with the business to get the work done within those 2 hours. Sometimes that people are then trying to take shortcuts and doing not test-driven development, not doing refactoring when required. It happens a lot in previous waterfall projects. So the code quality that they will produce is very bad. It's not, in our eyes, not good enough to maintain afterwards the application for the coming 10 years. So this is misleading, and the fact that you have delivered in time, you are not delivering what is expected in time. What sometimes is also happening is that the project manager is trying to force the team to work harder, but I always say try to do it with your washing machine at home. Start crying towards the washing machine and ask the washing machine to go faster, and you will see nothing will happen. The washing machine is just doing its job. If you do that with human people, then you will see that the day afterwards, some of those guys will be ill, and then your problem is even worse. So what do we ask a good Scrum Master, project manager, is to negotiate with the business and to define with the business what are the things that we should not wash in those 2 hours because we can't do everything. So maybe we decide that the socks are not washed this time. And so that we can have, after 2 hours, most of the work done, and that those riders can go on the Mont Ventoux in a proper way. So that's the metaphor of the washing machine.